Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, it's going to be a really quick one. I just wanted to sit down and make this video because I've always intended for this channel to be very transparent about the fact that film photography for me is still very much a learning process. If you go back to, I think it was October 2019, and that's when I first started shooting on medium format film. And you know, since then there's been a lot of things that have gone wrong. I have had broken cameras, I have shot blank rolls, I've shot accidental double and triple exposures, I have missed focus on pretty much entire rolls. There's a lot. You can go back through and see all of the kind of mistakes I've made on my journey through medium format film photography. But this one has probably got to top them all for the most stupid and avoidable mistake that has cost me by far the most money out of all of these mistakes. Another reason I wanted to make this video, aside from being transparent and talking about my learning process and hopefully, you know, that might be able to benefit some people who are also learning, is the fact that a lot of the videos that I have planned for the coming few weeks kind of relied on this film coming back okay, and alas, it did not. I am going to still be putting out videos, but they're probably going to be more digital orientated. I've still got a few film videos coming, but yeah, a few of my videos that were going to be more centered around film are now going to have to just be, you know, pivoted to more of a digital focus. But basically, let me explain what happened. So I've been shooting on the Mamiya RZ67, you guys all know that. I've been shooting on this, and I've been shooting on the RB67, which is currently also not working. Essentially, a couple of weeks ago, I went back home to London for some jobs, and whilst I was down there, organised a few collabs, had my RZ in my bag. And what I think has happened is that this little, let's see if you can see it, this little T slider had just been moved. The likelihood of what actually happened was that it had got knocked in my bag and, you know, it slipped into the time mode. So essentially the time mode allows you to shoot long exposures, and it's something that I've never really played around with. So when I got my film back yesterday, 5 rolls of film, and they were all wildly, you know, overexposed, blurry, you had like these light trails. And my first thought was, I've seen this before. And if you guys follow Vince Perry on YouTube or on Instagram, then you'll know that something similar or exactly the same happened to him. And he also put a video out. So I messaged him and I said, look, this has just happened to me. What happened? What's gone on? And he very kindly explained to me what I had done. I am gonna link his video up here or in the description or something, because his results were much better than what I got. His accidental, you know, long exposures actually still came out kind of cool. Whereas mine, I'll put them on the screen, did not come out cool. One of the worst things about this whole thing for me was that I was actually in the studio the other day and I moved it. I moved the T button and I was like by accident, but I realized that I'd moved it and I was like, oh, I don't want to put that on. I'll just move it back. So I moved it back. So essentially, if I'd just left it after I'd nudged it, I wouldn't have been shooting with the time mode. You know in your head, like when you turn something on and you're not sure if you've like turned it on or off or not. I don't know if that makes sense. Like for example, this is a really random example, but the boiler at my family home, you have to like press up on the thing, but then I'm never sure if that's actually turned it on or turned it off. And that is essentially what I did with this. I thought I'd, you know, put it back into the non-time mode so that it wouldn't make that mistake, but actually I'd put it back into time mode, and if I just left it, you know, at least 2 of those rolls would have been okay. But it is one of those things, it is one of those mistakes that I will make sure that I never do again. But I just wanted to, you know, share this progress because I have always kind of shared my failures and things that have gone wrong on this channel, and there's no point in pretending as that though everything has gone right all the time, because, you know, I don't learn from that. And if you guys are watching this and you're new to medium format photography, then you guys don't learn from this either. But yeah, a really, really silly and avoidable mistake that has cost me a lot of money and a lot of time, but you know, these things happen, and hopefully we can still get some good videos out of the digital footage that I shot. But like I said, this is just a really quick update video. There is going to be another video this week, so this isn't the main video for this week. I just wanted to update you guys on what's kind of going on with the next couple videos that are going to come out. I do have some that are still going to be film orientated, but like I said, a few of them, I think at least 3 of the videos that I had planned are now going to be more digital orientated, so hopefully you guys don't mind that. You know, I do like to do a little bit of digital photography stuff on this channel anyway, so hopefully you'll still be able to get some sort of value from it. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one, hopefully with a little bit better news.